There, this ain't gonna make it.
You ain't never gonna make it. Just give it up. It's over.
Wow.
I'm done and done, you know what I'm saying?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank B Chopping, and I'm back with another video. So check this out. I just got this today. My guys over there at Stylecraft sent this to me, so I'm gonna open it up, see what it is. I have an idea of what it is, but I ain't 100% sure. But we're gonna open this up, we're gonna find out. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all ready for this? I would've got this thing open. Well, thought it was open, but it wasn't open yet. There we go. All right, check it out. Check it out. Okay, we got this. We don't need that. We got this. Don't need that. Ooh-hoo! Let's go. Let's go. Check it out. This is what we got in the box. I was pretty sure it was this, but I wasn't 100% sure. Are you guys watching this? This is the new Stylecraft brushless Saber. I actually did order one last night. So when I get that one in, I will be doing a giveaway. So y'all just make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video. So I'm gonna be giving away that one when I get it in. I'm not giving up this one because I gotta put it to use. You know, give y'all a review, let y'all know what I think about this machine. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. Now check it out. So we got this thing in gold. So I know y'all probably gonna say it's the same thing as the Mythics, but it's not, because I just took it out the box. Already, it's a lot lighter, and it's a different motor. It's a brushless motor instead of a magnetic motor. So we're gonna have to try it out and see what the actual difference is. It does come equipped with a fade blade. Shout out to Stylecraft, man. Y'all look at that thing. That thing's nice. Let's go. And then, you know, it comes with the charging dock. If I can get it out, which I can never get it out on camera. All right, well, anyway, we don't want to come out, so we're going to leave it in there for right now. Let's pop this lid out so y'all can see it. So this is the other lid that it comes with. Well, it's not really a lid. What it is you can take this part off and put this on there. You know what I'm saying? So you put this underneath it, and then you just put the gold back over it. But it basically makes this part see-through, so you can actually see the motor working. Let's take this off. So now that I got the charging dock, y'all check the charging dock out. Move that to the side. So we got the charging cord right here. We got this that we never look at. And then it comes with, oh, I like these. Okay, so it comes with, I believe these are dubs. Yeah, so check it out. We got a new set of dubs in, but let me open these real quick. Check it out, check it out. It's gonna make it a lot more convenient for me, especially when I'm doing videos. So check it out. That's number 6 guard. That's number 1 guard. So as you can see, they're colored now. So they got they're color coordinated, so I ain't gotta worry about getting confused. And when I'm doing my videos, I ain't gotta try to figure out what clip is what. The color coordinated, so I can actually see what color and what guard it is. So these are the other guards. See, so as you can see, they all got different colors on them. So that's gonna be good for when I do my tutorials. I can actually tell the difference when I'm editing, and I don't sit here and just try to make some stuff up on the go. But anyways, we're gonna use those later on. But then we also got the stretch bracket that it comes with. We got another cam follower in there, and then we got a brush. We got another S-Craft, or another Stylecraft screwdriver. What else we got? But yeah, guys, basically it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this thing on. So I like the little, it's got the little clicky lever on it. I like that it's lighter than the Mythics. I like that a lot. It sounds slightly different. A little louder maybe, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let's go to the station. Let's compare it real quick. All right, guys, so check it out. Where is my Mythic? Oh, here's the Mythic and here is the Saber. So as you can see, it's basically the same body on it, the same body kit. This one is heavier than this one, but we're gonna turn on the Stylecraft Mythic. So that's a magnetic motor. And then here's the Stylecraft Saber. So that's a brushless motor. So it's got a slightly different sound. Like I said, we're gonna put them to work today. We're gonna put this one to work today. And I'm gonna let y'all know what it does. So yeah, guys, let's get it. Go to sleep on me.
Are you expecting trouble? This summer?
Big nose is as good as nose, honey.
How is it going on?
I'm saying that Liz Bell. It's not big nose. See what I mean, man? Could have come through that door. When they out there once, the plans to kill me.
Another one?
It's your job to stop.
I say. You tell me. Actually, why don't you tell me?
Damn, Eric, you're really moving? Don't do it.
What happened
Do with this shit. I mean, I normally just like hang it up, like put it on a tripod. But then, I don't know, I'd rather just do it this way. I just like the view a little better.
Yeah.
You know? It's different, you know, I just want to do something a little different. And I'm just doing like a little, I'm gonna do little clips of the haircut, so I'm not doing like the whole haircut.
Yeah.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so I wanted to talk to y'all about the clipper y'all seen me use in this video. So I know it looks a lot like the Stylecraft Mythics, but it's a different clipper. Yes, the body is the same, but for one, the color's different. I know that doesn't make it a different clipper, but the color is different, you know what I'm saying? And it has a different blade on it. You know, that doesn't make it really a different clipper either, right? But it does have a different motor. So the motor on this clipper is actually a brushless motor, and the motor on the Mythics is actually a magnetic motor. Now, I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I don't know what any of that means. Like, I know my boys, Ivy Mac and FaZe Bob Morales knows what it means. So hopefully they get live in this comment section and they let y'all know exactly what it means. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all guys. I don't even know what that means. I do know it's a different motor and I can tell the difference between the two motors, but to be like 100%, like be able to explain to y'all the difference and the specifications of which, I can't do that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't even gonna try. I'm not gonna attempt to do that because that's not who I am. You know, I'm the type that I like to cut hair and I let y'all know what I think about the clipper when it works in an actual shop setting. All right, so anyways, getting back to me using this clipper, guys. So off the jump, you know what I'm saying, I was really excited when I got this clipper in, man. Like when I started using it, I was ready to go, man. Like once again, I do want to say thank you to Stylecraft for sending me this clipper. Remember, guys, if y'all like this clipper, y'all can go and cop it. It's on pre-order right now, but y'all can cop it and use my code TANK10. But anyways, I'm over here just rambling. But back to this clipper. All right, so when I got it, guys, I ain't gonna lie, I really like cutting with it. It is lighter than the Mythics. You know, it's a lighter counterpart to it, I guess. So if you don't like the heavier clippers, you can cop this one, and I think this one's a better clipper if you're not really big on the heavy clippers. All right, so when it came to debulking, debulked good. When it came to fading, it faded good. I like the actual guards that it came with. You know, I really like that it has the color on the numbers are colored, so you can actually tell which guard is which, because sometimes when I was grabbing them, I couldn't tell. I'd have to look at them. But now they have a little, you know, some color coding on them. We can actually see the difference between the guards, and I think that's a plus. Charge time, I ain't gonna lie, I kept putting it back on the docks. I don't know how long it lasts just yet, but y'all know how your boy's gonna do. I'm gonna be doing a detailed review later on. So right now, I don't know how much it lasts. I believe it says it. If I remember correctly, don't quote me on this, but if I remember correctly, it did say that it can last up to 6 hours of runtime. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it said on the website. And all in all, guys, it's a really good clipper. I've already had people ask me on Instagram what I think is better, this one or the Caliber. Now, I'm not here to debate which one's better and which one's worse or whatever right now. You know, I'll compare them in another video, but right now, I just want y'all to know that this clipper is a good piece of equipment, guys. Like, I really like it. For sure, it's gonna stay on my station. For one, y'all know know I rock with Stylecraft and Gamma a lot, so that's why I'm keeping it on my station. Well, that's one reason. The second reason is it does cut really well. I like the way it fades. I like the fade blade on it. I'm a big fan of fade blades, so I really like the blade on it. And I just think it works good. I like the weight of it. You know, it's a little lighter than the other one, and it just, I'm already used to the shape of it. So to me, it's like, it's already fluent in my hand, so I didn't even have to do no, like, there was no curve to learning how to use it. I just grabbed it and picked it up, and I got down with cutting. So, like I said, guys, I think this is a good clipper. If you want to cop this clipper, it is on pre-order right now, but you can go to the Stylecraft website. I'll put the link down in the description. Y'all can go to the website, and you can use my code TANK10 when you check out, and you save yourself a little bit of money. But other than that, guys, that's basically it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, let's go.